I just came back from boogie boarding. So if you're wondering why I'm looking at this cool, lovely computer, a scout leader does not give you a piece of paper and tells you bring it back the next day so the next day will no. You send it by email. That's what you do. Okay, so even though you pack almost all the same things, for example, where'd you go? So this time we had to bring a white t-shirt with us. We also need a white t-shirt. I think we're doing tie-dye or something like that. And then we also need swimsuit, socks, and small bag. One minute. So a little bag, yeah, for the day, but not that one. Also we need like a hat. That look cool. Then sunglasses. Sorry, I got bored of you. Then we also need a hand tool. Just making sure I have. There it is. This is a hand tool. It's a towel. Just in German. Some toothbrush. This is my casing. It's really handy because when my toothbrush is wet, then it won't damage into the inside of my toiletries. Then I've got my soap and ice cream thing because it fits perfect on my toilet, so it's perfect. Then we also need sunscreen so we don't burn ourselves. This face towel. So we don't need this, but I'm taking it because I will turn it like a himbeer, a raspberry if I don't take it. Is for midges and stuff. And then plasters we need 100%. And then I don't know if you can see that, but there's toothpaste in there. And this in one bag just in case the toothpaste goes everywhere. Then we need this. There you go. I don't know what people's problem is with the smell, but I love it. Yeah, now I've just pulled out my whole toiletries. Now I get it put it all back. It's fun. just practicing how you put it in. Oh, get in there. I'm sure it'll all fit back in like that. Yeah. Just hide it in its lips. Yeah. Okay, so just ignore that. I'll pack it in again later. Then we need. There's so much writing on this. I hate this. One. So we also need a mask because it's Corona time. Corona time. Everything is Corona time. Okay. Hopefully you guys didn't have earphones on. Is that okay? Okay. Okay, so then we need a poncho, or a rain jacket, or waterproof. So sun cream, and alright, so first I'm going to tell you what sun cream is, even though you might already know. Like a little bit of Taschengeld. This is my look at it. So yeah, then you just put it in that case, you slap it shut, and you're done. Thermostat is toothbrush. I just showed you mine. Mine's is white, if you're wondering. There's one thing that I forgot. So the one thing you should never forget. Can you guys guess it? You have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I don't care anymore. It is Taschenlampe. Remember. Okay, also I forgot to tell you what Taschenlampe is. It's torch. I've told my family a bit about this story. They just burst out laughing. I once forgot my Taschenlampe. And the toilets are like 5 minutes away from the tent. You have to go. Okay? And then I'm walking without a Taschenlampe because I didn't want to wake my friends up. And then frogs. I get scared, run up, almost pee myself. Then I run back down as fast as possible and almost trip. Yeah. And then I go back to sleep. Okay. Wish I could have filmed it. It's really funny now that I'm looking back over it, but it was not fun at the time, okay? Okay, let's continue. It's one day I was packing for my scout stuff, and then I forgot one thing, and this one thing was my Taschenlampe, flashlight or torch, whatever you call it. Okay. And then, I'm at Scouts. I need to pee really bad. I can't hold it in anymore. So I need to walk 5 minutes. I'm walking. And there's like 2 lake parts either side of this fridge thing. Right, so I'm just walking. And then I hear a noise. I run to the toilets. Yeah, and then when I come back, I'm running. And then the next morning, I realized what it was. It was not a crocodile. That was just a branch. And the noise was frogs and beasties. That was just good, wasn't it? Run for nothing. Yeah, and because it was like so early in the morning, nobody was up. Okay, so we need to take Bandar Rucksack. So that's that. It's a rucksack. Well, obviously. Next thing, kleinen Tagesrucksack. There it is. Just gonna dump all my rubbish out. And next, Schlafsack. If you're wondering what a Schlafsack is, it's a sleeping bag. If you have no idea what that is, I know you've never been camping. Okay? Alright. Decke. So you can also take a Decke, like a blanket thing. If you want. I just would use my hand tool for extra. So I don't have to carry as much, okay? If you buy if you take something with you, you carry it. Your problem. Okay? So this one. And also no here. Blow up mattress. Because that's just wasting your life. Okay, so we can just highlight that so I can see better. Okay, so Feste, hiking boots, Feste Schuhe, für Wandern, 2 Paar Schuhe, so 2 pairs of shoes, trainers, that, and sandals. Sandals are good for 3 things. Let me tell you these 3 things. First, you don't have to wear your big boots or your big trainers. Second thing, you can wear them down to the beach. Third thing, and very last thing, and I'm just going to change my finger, is for showering. I don't know if I said that, but okay. Next thing. Sandal. No way I said that in the wrong thing. So, okay, so also, he's seen, also it's good because where we are camping, there's going to be tents. otherwise I'm sleeping under stars and getting soaked. So they say, I don't know what you call it, like there's a bit that goes in the ground and it holds the tent down so when it's windy it doesn't go away, right? So these are all over where the tents are. So, they're called tent pegs now that I remember. And this is very dangerous, and if you, whoops, then bye-bye foot. Well, not really, but like you can really damage it and you might have to go to hospital and you can't walk for days. That's the only bad thing really about camping, that you have that little thing. But okay, yeah. So, also the adults are not even allowed to go with barefoot around places unless there's no tents. Yeah. Okay, so it's okay. So what we have to bring with us to eat with. There's no plates. You bring your own thing. Okay? And this does not include just the sandwiches. It's actually soup and stuff. So you're not gonna eat soup like. So you need to bring this. So like a little bag. I don't know if I've got no. Okay. So a little bag to put your plate. I don't remember what that is. Alright, I'll continue. Cutlery. So like fork, knife, spoon. Cups. Pot thing. It's like a bowl, just it's made out of plastic, which I don't get, but okay. Whatever. So, wegen feste Kleidung oder Jacken. So, wegen feste Kleidung is like if this was waterproof, which it's not. Okay. Or you can take Regenjacke, so rain jacket, or a poncho. So Regenjacke is a raincoat. Poncho is, well, poncho. Okay, where am I now? No. Even that does it, right? You have something marked and you're reading it, right? And then you accidentally click on it. And then everything you marked is gone. So I need to just do it again. So, you put this in Carman, probably because someone might have forgot it in his little part of the group, right? Because we have groups, so yeah. So you said Unterwäsche, which means underpants. Oh god, I can't imagine what that kid would have done. He's only got one pair of pants. I want to know the story. If I can find out, and if I'm allowed to post it, I will tell you the story. But if I can't, then that's tough. Where's the vegetable? What? Okay. Where are the Unterwäsche? There they are. But that would have been really funny to witness. How many times did you turn them inside out? Poor kid. Whatever. Okay. Etwas Warmes zum Abends und Nachts. So something warm to put on. At night and day. So late at night and when it's really cold, right? Lieber zu wenig als zu viel. So better less than too much. Yeah, depends on what your situation you're in, but this situation is correct. Almost done with half the list. Alright. Kopfkissen oder Plastikbeutel zum Schmutz. Alright, so. So you see, okay, I'm just gonna show you what I had with me. Okay, I don't know if I still got it in there. Anyway, yeah, I've just realized that I forgot to put it back in. A plastic bag to put your dirty underwear, your dirty socks, and your dirty face. Okay, not the dirty face, alright? That's dangerous, don't. Get your head out of there. Alright, let's continue. I said get out of it. Right, so, etwas done, no wait, I was there, right? Oops. Okay, so Kopfbedeckung. I already said about that. Cool hat. Actually, these are two hats. Oops. Which one do you like better? This one? This one's A, and this one's B. Right in the comment section. Right? A, B. Okay? Right. Now, hurry up. Did you do it? Alright, continue. Okay, oh yeah, also, if you're wondering why half my hair is done and half my hair is not, it's because I'm not done yet. Anyway, I have to put braids in it so it'd be very easy for me just to wake up and be like, it's because it's very easy for me then not to brush it, and I'm so happy about that. Why did I do that normally? So you can bring, so if you need any special cream, shampoo, you can also bring some of that deo, because, yeah, we all smell it bad at the end. And then, very important thing, where is it? Ugh. Probably in here somewhere. Hankies. Because I will sneeze. Because my hay fever. Ugh. Get back in there. That's my other hankies. Where is it? Must have not put it in yet, but okay. Clothes. Yeah, check. Probably I've got everything. If not, I can just turn my own pants inside out. It doesn't matter. Okay, so Sachen für die Fahrt.